Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore influencer outreach using GRIN, full guide step by step clearly. To restore influencer outreach using GRIN, begin by logging into your GRIN account. Navigate to the Influencers tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all your current influencers. If you need to find specific influencers, use the search bar at the top. Filter through your list by using criteria like engagement metrics or niche categories. Once you have identified influencers to re-engage, click on their profiles for more details. Review the influencers' recent activities and any prior interactions. Assess their engagement rates and audience demographics to ensure alignment with your brand. Next, create a personalized outreach message. Make sure to mention specific previous collaborations or interactions to make it more engaging. Customize the tone of your message to match the influencer's style. After finalizing the message, return to the influencer's profile in GRIN. Click on the Contact button to send your outreach message directly. Set a follow-up reminder to check back in with influencers who have not responded. For influencers who have engaged previously, consider sending them exclusive offers or updates about your brand. You can also utilize GRIN's campaign feature to streamline your outreach efforts. Create a new campaign and select the influencers you wish to include. Craft additional messaging that highlights the benefits of collaboration. Track the performance of your outreach using GRIN's analytics dashboard. Monitor response rates and engagement metrics to refine your strategy over time. Remember to adjust your approach based on feedback and performance insights. Lastly, maintain ongoing relationships by regularly interacting with influencers through social media or email. By continually engaging with influencers, you can build and sustain fruitful partnerships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.